Hi, I'm Neve and I'm the Journalism Society's president for 2020. The Journalism Society is all about creating content in a journalistic style and bringing together people that have a shared interest in current affairs and news and what's going on in the world today. Our membership spaces are a great way to learn about events that the club's hosting, as well as journalism events happening around Melbourne, or even in COVID times, events that are happening online. And it's also a great place for students to share their projects and ask for help from other students to contribute and develop their skills. We also have our own magazine, the Swanston Gazette, which is online, and we've had our first printed edition last year. Anybody can write for us and anybody can pitch. So head over to our website, theswanstongazette.com, to check out our style guides and our pitching guides. Or you can head on to Facebook. We have a Facebook group called the Swanston Gazette Contributors, where some of our editors post ideas that you could write about, or you can pitch your own ideas on there. It's a great way to have your voice shared across campus and uni, and a great way to get writing experience. I hope you have a great week at orientation this week. Although we can't meet in person, there's heaps of things to do online. If you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to help you. Lovely to meet you. Bye.